this is part 2. Sorry about that, guys. It's just the fact of my camera keeps on getting blurry. So we have a EasyJet, which looks like rather an A320 or an A321 Neo. Sorry if it keeps on going blurry. That's because for some unwritten reason, my phone keeps on being like, I don't know, it just keeps on like blurring. So yeah. If you guys don't watch this video, then it will be on YouTube Shorts and other stuff like that. Possibly getting a second channel, so if I do, please support. Thank you. Just a few days ago, I flew on a EasyJet A320 from Pisa International Airport in Italy. I have some sort of aircraft up there. It's going to go really blurry, but my best bet is that it's some sort of American carrier. Another question that I wanted to ask all of you guys is when you guys go on holiday and stuff like that, what kind of takeoff music do you have? Mine's rather the Top Gun anthem or Way Down We Go by Kaleo, which apparently is the unwritten aviation national anthem. It's in the main bit that goes like ooh, 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 or something like that. I don't know. As you can, I don't know if you guys can see that, but down there we have an aircraft that's currently just lining up. So yeah, we have a large bodied aircraft that seems to look like an A350. Now, I'm not even gonna, because I know I guarantee you that someone in this comments is gonna say, actually that's a different aircraft. It's an A350, mate. You guys think I talk too much? I don't talk too much. Probably just being biased. It's an A350. My favourite aircraft, apart from the Avro Lancaster. What's all of your guys' favourite aircraft? Yep, it's an A350. I will now shut up and let you guys enjoy this. Well, bird's taking his time. Alright, very nicely done. I've always wanted to fly on an A350. A350s are cool. The heck? Alright, I'll shut up again. The next aircraft that is coming in will be a ATR. Now, there are only 3 carriers that currently have stuff. Wait, I'm going to try and make this train see if he honks. I don't know if he's waving. Yes, he waved. That's great. Legendary Top G. Next we have our ATR 72, the smallest airline carrier that flies into Manchester. Apart from private jets, but obviously they're not airlines, so yeah. Very nicely flown. very nice. Thing is so if I get to 1k by the end of this year, then I'll possibly try make merch. If you guys want that, I'll put it at a reasonably priced. All of the money I'm gonna try like donate to Manchester Airport and other stuff like that. So yeah. I would say like, I don't know. I mean, I'm just really thankful really, because in Manchester it's never like this. Never. We've got another tram. I don't know if there's like, yeah. People. Oh, it's that one. There we go. And with that finishing one, I am going to end this video. Hope you guys have a great day. Oh my god, hope you guys have a great day. If any people that are like currently on their school holidays, enjoy it. And I will see you guys soon.